Next we're going to talk about fastening. There's two standard patterns we usually use, either 16 inches on center or 30 inches on center, depending on what the spec is of the job. You're seeing more and more though with the 16-inch on center fastening pattern, so that's what we're going to go over from here. If you're coming into a corner, you know, the first screw you want to put in is usually about 4 to 5 inches out from the actual corner. So we're going to go 5 inches out and just put a dot there so I know where we're starting our fastening pattern. From there, we're going to go every 16 inches approximately and just lay out our fastening pattern. Alright, so I laid out our fastening pattern. We went 5 inches out from the corner and laid it out 16 inches on center. As you can see, I dropped a screw. It's very important in the roofing, for any roof, that if you drop anything on the roof that you pick it up. Again, it can be a major cause of leaks. If you step on that screw or accidentally kneel on the screw, it can cause a puncture in the roof. And maybe you didn't see it, you'd end up having to come back for a leak and a very unsatisfied customer at that point. So, getting back to fastening, again, I marked all my spots out previously. I'm going to take and install the screw. As you can see, we're using a wood grip screw with a neoprene washer. It's important you use screw with a neoprene washer. Again, it helps keep water from getting under your metal at all times. Another important thing, as you see, you want to watch so your washer is snug but not over tightened. You'll know they're over tightened if you continue pressure on the screw and you start seeing that neoprene washer rip. At that point, you got to back the screw out and put a new one in.